Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing a diffuser from the hairdryer. I'm going to try this as a dirty paint pour, I guess you would call it, because I'm just going to pour colors in here and see what kind of pattern we have, and then tilt my canvas and see what happens. It's just a trial run and see how it works. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be much appreciated. And everybody that keeps coming back and watching, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And thank you again for everybody that's commenting. You're awesome. I love reading all the comments. So I'm going to put this in the center of my canvas. But I do have white acrylic already poured down here. I want to give it a quick little torch. Get some of the bubbles out. And again, I'm just in the door from work, so I got the oven heating for my frozen pizza that I'm going to have tonight. And I'm going to paint while I wait for that to heat up so I can throw the pizza in. Okay, so this is going to go right in the center, just like that. And I think I have a center hole in this diffuser. I wonder if I should cover it with tape. I think I'm going to. That way I might be able to keep a little more of the design flowing from the sides. Let's throw some tape in there. There we go. Now we're ready to go. Okay. First color I'm going to start with is my gold. I'm just going to go right around. Whoops. Got the outside of the diffuser, that's okay. Okay, let's start with gold. Then I'm going to do some of my wild berry pink. Okay. Then let's do some copper. I'm going to try my copper and see if that goes well with the pink and gold layer. Okay. Then I'm going to throw some green in there, which this is my festive green. I just put 2 drops of silicone in here to try and activate some cells. So let's add that green in. And it's just lightly mixed because I want to have hopefully some bigger cells. Okay. Then we're going to add some purple. Now that's lots of paint. I think that's good. I'm going to leave it as those colors and see what happens. I'm going to just lift it slightly and move it aside. Ooh, that's pretty so far. Leave it sit for a couple seconds. And again, I'm going to lift it slightly. And again. Still quite a bit of paint in there. Well, that's a very cool design. Put that over there. I'm going to give it a quick little torch. Oh, and I've got nice big cells happening, which is exactly what I wanted. Now I'm just going to pick this guy up and tilt it. And go slowly, trying to keep my cells intact. Sorry if you're not seeing it or you're seeing edges of the canvas. Just trying to go as slowly as I can without losing too much over the edge. This is going to be a very quick painting by the looks of it, because it's coming together nicely here. I had a perfect base coat. Just going to do this corner over here, sorry. I'm giving you the back of the canvas again. There we go. Just pick up some of the color from your table if you missed a couple spots and touch your corners. Just going to turn it and see how this is looking. This one needs some more paint there. I think I'm going to tilt it a little bit this way. There we go. And I think I'm going to go a little bit this way. Just add a little bit more purple down in that area. I'm going to go a touch this way. There we go. Okay, I definitely got to give this guy a torch. Excuse me, I'm going to take my gloves off and torch it. All those cells I had, I pretty much lost them. And we'll see if we can get some of them back. Definitely got some gorgeous colors in there. Look at all those cells popping up. That green and purple looks really nice together. Hopefully you can have a good view of that. I'm going to tilt it a little bit for you. There we go. Quick little pour painting done right before dinner. And in the next 12 hours, 14 hours, it should be on the drying end of things, and I might be able to show it on my next video dry. Alright, there we go. I would say officially the diffuser does work well to mix your paints and do a nice little pour. Thanks everyone for joining me.